Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a sound test video for the Ant Audio 700 series truly wireless earbud. So this is actually pretty good with the sound quality. The bass is pretty good in this. So one of the best low-end bass that I've seen in truly wireless earbuds. So whether it's Jabras, whether it's Sony's, whether it's whatever, the high end. So it actually competes with those kind of earbuds. So the low end is actually that great. But truly wireless earbud or any earphone, the work of that is not just music or just to listen. You have to talk to people also. So how the mic sound quality is going to be, so that's what we are going to be testing in this video. So let's go ahead, test the mic sound quality. I'll be doing some bike test where I'll be riding the bike, the wind sound, the traffic sound, everything will be involved in that. Then we'll be going to the mall, and then inside the mall, a crowded place, where you can get regular people talking, those kind of sound. And then we'll be going to traffic areas like main roads where there's a lot of traffic or a lot of honking and stuff, and then we'll be listening to those kind of sound. We'll be seeing how much of that background sound are you want to get and how much of my sound are you want to get. So we'll be testing that with this. So let's go ahead, do the test, and then we will talk about this.
Now I'm going to do the bike test where I'll be riding the bike without a helmet but inside the colony, so it's not on the road. So please do not ride a bike without a helmet. That's against the rules. But after that, as soon as I get out of the colony, I'll be wearing the helmet. So we'll be looking at closed face and open face helmet sound in that. So the volume that is happening there, the sound that you get, your sound that you get is very good. So in any scenario, the only time they really get is the distance to that. So this does not do your okay. Now when you put the helmet on, the mic goes inside, so it's completely covered. Hear me better because the wind sound is eliminated over here. Now, that also means that the mic is muffled, so we don't know what kind of sound it's going to get. So I only come to know once I reach those kind of so, okay, so now, one time you are riding the bike with the helmet closed, so the ride of yourself in the close your helmet. And this scenario, there's an echo created, and that helps in giving better sound. I mean, your vocals will be audible better than your regular one. Now, that also means that you will be getting a lot of echo sound. So I don't know how much is it going to be echoing. Now, hopefully, you can hear me well. So that is walking in the morning. You hear a lot of people so sound. Now, hopefully, you hear me well. Now, one thing I already noticed was in the bike racks, I could not really hear it because of the wind sound. And general bike sound was not that good. Hopefully, you can hear me well. So, let's give it a try. Okay, so we're doing the traffic test now. So I'm standing next to this small Nagar road. So there's a lot of traffic here. A lot of traffic sound. Hopefully you can hear me well. All the tests that I've done with this mic, it's actually proven to be not that good. So the sound quality is not good. People are not able to hear me. Now the sound that's coming from here. So no matter what I do, how loud I'm trying to be, people are not able to hear me. Going to be
Okay, so you've seen the video. Now I don't know what to say about this now. This absolutely failed. It's not good for calling at all. no matter what scenario I put this in, it failed in everything. The worst part is it's bad even in a controlled environment where there's no sound. Like even in this scenario, I have to be very loud for the other person to hear me. So that's not a good thing. So basically, if you know about mics, there are different kinds of mics. I mean, they have their own range of catching audio. Like if you look at the AirPods and stuff, so they have their own proprietary technique where the sound is actually only taken in this area. None of the sound which is outside is taken. So there's a lot of different technologies built into this. Other mics. But with this, there's no technology in it. There is no wind noise reduction. There is no noise reduction, hiss noise reduction, anything, nothing is there. So there's no control over the mic. So whatever the mic is getting, it just it's trying to, the area that it's trying to take is a big area, not your mouth or not something nearby. It's trying to take sound from a very big area. So that's what I felt with this, because I was able to hear things like which are far from me more than the things which are near me. Like even if I'm talking, you can't hear that much, but you'll be able to hear things which are far from me, like a car or someone else talking in the background. That is more audible than me. So that was something strange which I did not like. So for calling, absolute fail. But if you want to use it for listening purpose, if you want to just listen to music, this is pretty good. Now, should you buy this for 2,799? I can't recommend this now, because there are other earbuds. Now, if you go on Amazon or Flipkart or any of these websites, you will see there are a lot of earphones, truly wireless earbuds, which are under 3,000 now. So the competition is very hard. There are too many choices. So this will not be a good option in comparison to them. So now, since this one failed, I'm going to make other videos with the with the same price category, under 3,000 price category. I'm going to buy more, and then I'm going to make videos on them. I'm going to test the mics for them too. So do let me know which earbud would you like me to buy and then make a video on. I'll be looking at around 2 more earbuds, truly wireless earbuds. So do message, do comment, do let me know which one you want me to make a video on, and I'll be making a video on them. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.